Okay, and what you guys just saw a time lapse of, I let it get beat in here. As you can see, it's not as great as what I wanted it to be. Sizes of the bead are consistently changing. This piece of metal is really hot, and that was a contributing factor. As you can see, I kind of stopped and started here. It wasn't a good weld everywhere, but it'll do for what is needed. This is what is my plan as to what is going to go on our welding table, so call it. And it's the top of a grill is what it is that we're turning into a welding table. So that's a wrap on this part of the video. See you guys.